The sixth edition of the Indian Ocean Conference is set to be inaugurated this evening by Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina in Dhaka. External Affairs Minister of India Dr. S. Jaishankar will deliver the keynote address during the inaugural function. More than 150 participants from 25 countries are taking part in the sixth Indian Ocean Conference being hosted by Bangladesh. Apart from External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar, many high-ranking leaders, officials and dignitaries, including the President of Mauritius and Vice President of Maldives, are taking part in the two-day-long conference. The conference endeavours to bring critical states and principal maritime partners of the region together on a common platform to deliberate upon the prospects of regional cooperation for security and growth for all in the region.